This is temporary fix for electric water heater with 7 flash 3-second pause or 8 and 1 flash. You can check it out right now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pry the sensor with the knife. Boom, boom, boom. Unplug the connector. Let the magic begin. Put on the 20K. Plug in black and red. Don't mess with the hot and ground. Turn on the switch really quick. The number will dance. Turn on and you will see the heartbeat on the lights. This is for temporary to get the hot water until the product, the real one, come in. Give a like. Definitely, we're waiting for 5 days. It's coming. When I check downstairs, the light is look normal. But it's okay. Turn off the switch, open the bag for the new one ready to install. There it is. You see? There it is. Yes. Yay. Install it. Make sure it's really tight. Alright. And ready to set up. When I turn to very hot, I hear the click. Yay, life back to normal. You will see the heartbeat blue light. It's beautiful. Welcome blue light.